checked yet how many sites there are on this side. But I don't know, some of them's got a little off-duck here as well. There between the trees, a ablution block. Yeah, I'll take a walk around later on and have a look at the rest of the camp, and also go into the bush and see about the wildlife. But yeah, just so peaceful here. I was having this little off-duck here, but for the moment for myself, I prefer to have the van parked the other way around, so I look straight into the bush. Plug points, I see there's 2 plug points on each side. There's not a tap on each side, but there's quite a few taps around. And they've all got a threaded end. Walking with my walking stick, just making sure to get rid of the cobwebs, otherwise I always walk into the spider webs. Play area for the kids, a little jungle gym, rope climb, slide, ropes, and a little housey at the top. Wash up area. Lapa area. Four bras and quite a big table. Quite a big area here. It's called Lapa Site C. Tap, a couple of plug points, and it's right next to the swimming pool area. Overcast this afternoon, Sunday after lunch, and it's actually not too bad, a bit humid, but definitely cooler than this morning. Some bra areas, looks like an area for a bonfire, a zinc, water, plug points, chairs, pub serving area on that side, and a very nice clean pool. Some more bra areas on that side, standard plugs. Chairs, right area, zinc table, shower basin, and a toilet. Also a place to make a bonfire. Yesterday afternoon, went for a drive with my neighbour Agatha. We did a trip around the farm and saw quite a few animals, some nice wildlife around here, and that you'll see in the photographs. I didn't do any video, but you'll see in the photographs. The roads are not that bad, a couple of muddy spots. I definitely won't attempt it with my van, but if you've got a chimney or a bicycle, that'll do. And I've done quite a bit of walking around here. Nice area to walk around, but the roads are not rough, it's all smooth roads. Sure.